Every day, industrial power stations provide electricity to people all over Ontario. The industrial processes used at these stations utilize lake water in the process of creating energy through a procedure called once-through cooling. Once the lake water is used, it is then released back into the environment as industrial effluent and can act as a possible environmental stressor to certain species. In partnership with the Northern Ontario School of Medicine and the University of Regina, the Wilson Toxicology Lab from McMaster University aimed to understand the potential impacts of thermal and multiple stressor effects on lake and round whitefish species from industrial power stations and additionally, climate change. This research increases our understanding about the impact changes to environmental parameters may have on whitefish species. So why whitefish? During late fall in November and December, these fish move from their deep water habitat to gravel shoals in shallower waters on the coast of lakes, often adjacent to industrial power stations. Each fall, with the assistance of commercial fishermen, we head out into the waters off the coast of Lake Ontario and Lake Huron with the goal of collecting unfertilized whitefish eggs and milk to perform in vitro fertilization. Back at the lab, fertilized eggs, now known as embryos, are reared to hatch and continue to grow as juveniles. Over the past 5 years, our lab has focused on the whitefish species with respect to changing thermal and other environmental parameters. We examine both the direct effects on embryo development, including growth, survival, and hatching. As well, current and future research focuses on the longer-term implications of embryonic exposures for juvenile fish, including behavior. Behavior is important because it can impact the recruitment of juvenile fish into the mating population, which is key for population structure. Our research helps us to understand the impacts of stressors on the development of an important native fish in the Great Lakes region.